Hello friends, I did my eyebrows today and that's as good as we're going to get. Hopefully you can actually see me. I got sick at the con. Still have 100, no. How high is my fever, Penny? 99.4. My fever is still 99.4, but it's less than 100, so that is no excuse to not clean. We're gonna get stuff done today though. First, the good start to cleaning is we're gonna make the bed. Penny's helping. Yeah. Getting it done. We didn't do the sheets this weekend because we were at the con. They're so fucking dirty. So we're gonna wash the sheets and just put the blanket over the bed so that we have that surface to work on. Because it'll be in the wash. I mean, we're gonna do laundry. We're gonna have to do laundry after the con anyways. Like, you're with me, you're with me. This is just a warm blanket and a not so warm blanket. So it's a usual winter setup, but I'm just gonna lay that down right now. That's gonna be our work surface. Yeah, that's gonna be our work surface. Here's some stuff. Oh, these are shoes. These shouldn't be on the bed. I'm gonna put my shoes on this step up so the dogs can't get on the bed while I'm working. That sounds right. Onesie needs to be folded. Dress in this pile. That's gonna go in the coat closet. Out of clothes that I put back in the suitcase, have a pile for things that I wore. It's in the I didn't wear pile, so I can put that back in the closet. Those are slippers. What else oh my god, I'm so cognitively not here. Alright. Challenge. These are my ballet tights, so they're hand wash only. These are gonna go in the sink. T-shirt pile. T-shirt, hang up sweater, hang up dress. So that is one t-shirt pile, one tank top. They are already folded. This is a sweaty t-shirt that I actually did get it dirty because this is what I was wearing when I was super sick at the con. Did not get a chance to wear this, so that is all peachy clean. Gonna get my backpack. This is my general travel backpack. Put my little bags in here, like my travel shampoo, that was like my travel face stuff. This is my travel hairbrush, because it's small. And that just kind of lives in here. Bathing suit, that's gonna kind of live in here. Getting dizzy. I only use makeup wipes when I'm traveling. That is all my travel-y toiletries back in the bag. I'm gonna put this bag in the closet. That's a skirt. That goes all the way over here. Why is my brain not working today? Oh yeah, because I have a fever. Oh shit. I'm gonna go through the necklaces later, but for now I'm just gonna take the ribbons and put them in my ribbon pile. What am I going to do with all my buttons? Suitcase officially unpacked. Put that in the other closet. That's from my bathroom floor. My bathroom floor is the stuff that I wore once. By this t-shirt, I dried my hair off with this t-shirt. So I didn't even wear it, but it can go back up to be the clean clothes. First, I'm gonna put this bag with the other bags. This with the games. T-shirts, this is a panda suit. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Now, I need a separate jean pile. Jeans. Okay, I'm going down. Okay, I'm going down. Okay. Two things. Identified a shortcoming in lighting And this does not look like much progress. But we're gonna get there, my friend. We are going to make it. Figure out how to fold some onesies. Panda butt. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to wait until the rest of the laundry gets done because significant other was doing some laundry last night. So I'm gonna wait until his load gets done to fold everything in here, which means we get to move on temporarily. I'm gonna fold these socks though. Penny has a thing for socks and she will eat them if I do not put them up. Took a rest, changed my pants. Let's get back to business. I'm simultaneously cold and sweaty. Oh, this is awful. Okay, I'm back. I can do this. I am fading there, little Penny Ann. We're doing it. We're getting through this. I feel like I'm missing a sock. It'll be fine. It will be fine. What you doing? Don't crush the socks. Don't crush the socks, please. Okay, thank you. You must be done now. Okay, bathrobe is going to go to somebody else. Just need to get this put up now. Okay, here. There's that extra sock. And I'm gonna take this and put this with the stuff to give to Mel, because she's gonna be taking a bunch of my old sweatpants that don't fit me anymore. And this is for her to make a fuzzy pink wooloo costume out of. Okay. Oh, fuck. I'm just gonna lay here for a while. Oh, going down. This is okay. This is okay right here.